Yes.
At the start of lecture, when you people were presenting their pre-lab, I presented mine, but I didn't write down my ID.
I didn't see yours. Ah, yes, yes, yes.
I didn't put it down.
Okay, right here. Hello, everyone. So today we are starting our first lab experiment. We will do the simulation and also we will do the hardware. All the online, can you listen to me? All the Zoom students?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. So can you see the screen also? So let's start the experiment. First of all, I want to check your pre-lab. Okay, in the last few minutes, I will check your pre-lab. Now I will start the experiment. Okay. So this was the pre-lab we did in the last class, previous class. Today we are going to do the second part of the experiment number 1. So we will do the same simulation, one series resistor and then one voltage source. And today we are using 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, right? So if you go to the multisim, and then this is the same circuit. So are you guys present here? Are you familiar with the multisim? Were you present in the previous class?
Yes.
Yes. So you know how to make this circuit?
Yes.
Yes, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So quickly try to make this circuit in the lab and also the online. All the Zoom students, please simulate this circuit.
Doctor, this is the same circuit we did in the last lecture, right?
Yeah, but now the resistor is 1 kilo ohm.
Activate.
All of you go to the Moodle and download the experiment number 1 file from here. So go to the Moodle. Please see my screen. Go to the Moodle and then EE101. Go here. Lab experiments. This one. Open this and then download first experiment. Okay. And then when you download first experiment, this file will open. Go to page number 8. Go to page number 8. Okay. Miss, can you open it again, please? From Moodle?
No, that one. Resistance and that.
Ah, yes. Okay. Save.
Okay, let's.
So all of you, you know how to build this circuit, or should I do a recap? Should I do it again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, this is username and yes, hello.
Listen busy here. Just a quick question for that top. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you think we have.
Just we have like technical problems. Okay, all right. Thank you.
So all of you, please open multisim. What is your user ID?
Doctor,
Yes.
doctor,
Please open multisim. All of you here. Multisim. So I give you a recap for making this circuit. So
doctor,
yes,
we already download the Word document last
yeah,
last
that
lecture.
yes,
The same, right?
same.
Okay.
I will give tell you how to do step by step. Okay. First, I want to give you an overview. Okay. So first, go here, place sources, and then take DC power. Okay. Quickly. So if you go here, this is place source, right? Click on it and then go here. Choose DC power and then press OK. This will come here. When you will place it on the multisim, this window will appear again. Okay. Then take ground. Okay. Then put ground here. Okay. Then you will go from here basic. Okay. And then go to resistor here. And then we need 1K. You can change the value here. 1K. 1 kilo ohm resistor and then put it here. Then close this, right click on the resistor and then rotate it. Then take wire from here and connect it here. You see this, when the wire is red, this is connected. Then take another wire from here and put it here. When you see this red dot, then leave the circuit. Okay. Then connect it with the ground. Okay. Now come here, place indicator. From here, take ammeter horizontal and then place on the wire. You will see it will directly connect. Yes. Okay. So come here, place indicator. Click it and then see, this is voltmeter, this is ammeter. Okay. From here, take voltmeter, the vertical one. Okay. From here, choose voltmeter. Come here and then take it and then put it here parallel across the resistor. Then come here, take ammeter. Okay. Ammeter, place the horizontal one. Press OK. Put it on the wire and then close this and check it if it is connected. If the wire is moving with it, it means this. You see, when I move it, the wire also moves. It means this is connected. Okay. Then take wire from here, connect in parallel. Okay, done. Now double click this voltage and then put 2 volt. Okay. And then simulate this circuit from here. Why I don't get the simulation? So here, by any chance, I don't have the simulation terminal. But anyway, okay, this is the procedure. So I did already here. So, okay, now I think, yes, now it works. Okay, now I run. And then you see, this is 2 milliampere current and voltage is 2 volts. Okay, if you see small here, this is A means ampere. So this is the current reading. So here, small V, it means this is volt, this is volts. This is the unit for voltage. Okay, now try to build this circuit and then go back to your lab sheet and then do this for all the measurements, 0, 2, 4, and then come here again, stop the simulation and then put it 4 volt, right? And then run it. You will see this is 4 milliampere and 4 volts. Come here, put 4 and then 4 milliampere current. Okay. You see this is table number 1 for 1K. Then 6 volt. Go back, put it to 6 volt. And then run. This is 6.001 milliampere and 6 volt, right? Then 8 volts. 8 and then go back here. Make 8. You see 8.001 milliampere. Come back to the sheet. 8.001. Then 10. Go back here. 10. This is 0.01 ampere. Okay. So this is 0.01 ampere, which is equals to how much in milliampere? Almost
100.
shift the decimal 1, 2, and 3. This will be 10 milliampere. Okay. Because I have all the values in milliampere. So if I put in ampere, my graph will be D-shaped. Okay. So I want all the values in milliampere. Okay. I got this as 0.01 ampere, so I shift the decimal and make it milliampere. Okay, so this is 10 milliampere. Okay.
But all the value is wrong is because it's all ampere.
Yeah, all the values are milliampere. Milliampere. See here, this is milliampere. Unit is milliampere. Okay, I got all the values milliampere. Only here, see, I got 0.01. It means it says 0.01 ampere. So shift the decimal and make milliampere. Okay, it's working for you. So where you didn't understand, just take okay. All of you, you got this. And you want repeat? What? Repeat? Please be quick because I will start the hardware. So we are not doing only the simulation today. So hardware will take more time. So you see, stop.
Engineer, this is pre-lab or what?
This is the lab experiment, actual lab experiment. So just see, put this here, and then if you click on it, you will see this dot. You see this wire is moving. I'm not doing, I even leave the mouse, this wire is here. This just connect here and you will see a red dot. Can you see red dot? When you see the red dot, just right click, sorry, left click, okay? And then this will connect. Then here, take, and then connect like this. Okay? Right? Yes.
كانت واحد بس يعني تعرفون هنا نفس فاحنا قاعدين نكسر تمام إذا حابين نضيف الفولتج نحط قاعدة شلون قاعدة الصورة أنا بس اللي حق الواير بصورة هي نفس الكلمة تمام هذا شنو يقيس؟ الجدول ما خلينا خلينا 10 بعدين 8 بعدين 6 بعدين 4 بس الجدول مو موجود شلون نغير الفاليو مال هذا نضغط عليه مرتين واضح تمام الحين نريد نطلع الفاليو الاصفار طبعا هاي غلط مستحيل تطلع اصفار عشان نسوي سيميليشن نسوي رام او F5 نشيل بس F5 لا الفولت الماس نفس الفولت ويفهم التيبل تكتب فولت 10 you leave this I love the table so you leave this without simulation goes جنب هاي شنو؟ هاي you need it in الجدول مالك ايش يسمون؟ يفضل 10 وستة يعني هذا تضربون السالب 3 ولا السالب 3 إذا ما يصير 10 وش لا صفر واحد صفر واحد برضه صفر واحد صفر 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 مرة جاي يجيب حظ يسوون البقيه نفس الشيء عرفتوا؟ لازم تسوون ستوب change value run again by the number
And then put it 5.6 because we don't have 5 kilometers. Yeah. Put
Engineer,
Yes.
I I have online system. Okay, and I want to ask, what is what's the name of the two?
Multi-stream.
No, this DC
DC
U2 and U1.
This is DC voltmeter and DC ammeter.
The one that we used last time, right?
Yes, same. So, okay, can you see my screen? So, you see, you got for 10 volts, for 10 volts, you got 0 point. So you got 0.01.
يعني كم نسلي
So okay, 0.01, right? You got this value for 10 volts. Okay. So you have to change it to milliampere. How you do that? You have to shift the decimal towards the right. Okay. So if you count 1, 2, and there should be another 0, 3. So it will be 10 milliampere. Okay. If you shift the decimal point. Okay. Right. So it will be 10 milliampere. So you have to do it because when you will plot the graph, then you should have all the same values. All the values should be in milliampere. Okay. When some value is coming in ampere, just shift the decimal and then change it to that unit. Okay. Yes. So, So all of you, have you done the experiment? If you shift the decimal, okay, so all of you, have you done this experiment? All the Zoom members also?
Engineer, sorry, can you show us the value again?
Sorry,
Can you show us the value?
which value?
The
My
table.
results?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here. Now we will start the hardware. So all the Zoom members, have you done the experiment? All the Zoom members?
Yeah, we did it. Yeah.
Okay, now I want to show you this hardware. Okay, so please pay attention. So all the students, please pay attention. Okay. So whose mic is on? So all the Zoom members, can you see the screen? All the Zoom.
No.
Yes.
Yes?
we-
So all of you, please pay attention to this. And
No, doctor.
can you see this?
No, we can't.
See on the screen. Zoom members, can you see it?
Yes, miss, the
Yes.
red board we can't see.
You can see the NILS board, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is NILS board. I showed you in the previous class. I gave you an overview. Now please pay attention. So this is the NILS board. We will implement the same experiment which we did in the class now, simulation. We will implement.
Doctor, please put the mic near to you because the sound is not clear.
My mic is not. Yes, it's not in mute.
Not clear, not no sound.
Okay, I try to speak loud. Okay, so if you see, this is the NILS board. from here we can turn it on and off. Okay, and then these are the ports. You can see these are the ports, right? Here you see this is for the volt, this is for the voltage reading, this is for the current reading, and then this is for the common, which is ground. Okay, then if you see the board here, this is, if you see here, you can see that this is DC power, this is fixed 15 volts, this is you can see, because you can you see here? Okay. So you can see. So this is plus 5 volt, which is fixed plus 5 volt. Okay. Then this is plus 15 volt, which is fixed, and then this is ground. If I want fixed 15 volts, I will connect this like here. Okay. And then I will give the power supply to my circuit. Then this, if you see, variable power supply. Okay. So this is positive variable. Here I can change the value of the power supply. Okay. I can give 0 volt, 2 volt, 4 volt. I can change it according to my needs. Okay. Then, if you can see this monitor here, you can turn off here. So go to the start. NI. So NI always MI. This we will open. Okay. Can you see the screen clearly? Then from here you will take the digital multimeter, and then as we are using the variable power supply, we will take variable power supply. So I have two windows here, this and this. Okay. This is the multimeter. This is the variable power supply. Okay. Okay. Then, if you see here, so now I will put the positive terminal of the DC power supply and then connect it on the circuit here. So now on the, if you see the NI board, so A, B, C, D, it means they are shorted together. Okay. If I will put my resistor like this, I will short the terminal. Okay. If I will put the resistor like this, I will short the terminal. So always put the resistor positive here and then negative here. Like this, you will connect the resistor. Okay. So please pay attention. And then negative, I will take the negative from here. So I will take the negative from here and connect it with the negative. Okay. Now I want to measure my voltage. So how I measure voltage? By connecting the voltmeter parallel with the multimeter, with the resistor. So now here, if I come to the monitor, so here this is variable power supply. I will choose 2 volts. Okay. Then I will run the simulation. Okay. Run the simulation, and then here on the other digital meter side, I will choose the DC volt. Then I will run it. Then you see this is 1.996 volt. This is approximately 2 volts, and you got the same reading 1.9. We had the 2 volts. Okay. Now I want to measure the current. So I will put this resistor in series. So I will connect this in series. Please see it. Now, see. Then I will choose this too. I will choose this. Yes, and then I will choose ampere, and then also I have ampere. And then I will run. So if you shift the decimal, then it will be 1.98 milliampere. Okay. So all of you. So you got this idea. So now you will do the Mayer result. So now you will do the Mayer result and put in the table, like you did for the simulation. Okay. Right. So please start your NIM score, and you have to. So all of you have the resistor and wire. Do you have the resistor and wire? Yes.
والجواب متصل مع النبض الثاني مال الريزستور. عشان نحدد انه هو 1 كي هذا ما في. انا اخذ المومنتم اللي هو وجه هذا بالموت. عشان نقيس الموت والريزستنس والاحمر فوق. عن اسود دائما اسود دائما بالخام. حابين نقيس الفولتج او الريزستنس فوق، حابين نقيس الكرنت. نجد فيه الريزستنس. احنا المفروض إذا حابين فولتج حابين كارت حابين مع يعني كان هذا صح. قبل ما نبدا اي تجربه لازم نتاكد من الكونت. طبعا احنا اوريدي بس مرات هي بتحصل مرات التنكين بوكس الوقتي فيجي تشيك تمام. قلنا عندنا هذا الكلام الثاني ما نقدر نوصل لو وصلنا لازم نوصل اي نقطة تمام. تمام. البوزيتيف ماذا اللي هو الابيض ما يفيد اصلا. الجراوند مالنا مفروض على واحد بس هو
And then I better like take all the readings for the voltage, because then you have to connect in these for the voltage. So I just
بس like positive صح؟ بس ما حددنا قيمة أو ما نعرف شلون غير فين. انت قاعد نغير السيرفيس تمام. We need to fill this table here. This table simulation that we mentioned. لازم نقيس B نقيس عندنا الأسود نيجاتيف هذا استخدام النيجاتيف هو الجرام وهذا وين تمام ما يفرق على الميتر بالأوم صح؟ قاعد يشيل قاعد يطلع من النور فالحل الاسهل مويه على نفس النور ما يحتاج صوب الساينس يطلع يقول هذا بعدين تغير ماده شلون تسوي ماده تشوفون كم بعدين الاي يجيك بس الاي يجيك لازم تغير بس تحطون
Anyone to come? So you can check the resistor value also.
10 months something.
Now you will fill this right? Then you have to do it for around 4
What you can share to this hardware? Are you doing it yourself? Are you doing the lab experiment? Yes. So I will come to see your reading. So you have, is it right?
Doctor, Dr. Madia,
Yes, please speak. Yes.
Doctor, we can't hear you if you are teaching something, or I don't know, but we can't hear you and we're not saying anything.
Okay. For you, I want 1 minute. I shared my screen. So for the online students and for the students also sitting here, I want you guys. I want you to do all the experiment for the simulation. Okay. For the Mayat also who are sitting here, but for the online, please do the simulation with 2 kilo ohm and then fill the table and then do the simulation for 5.6 kilo ohm and then fill the table. And then in question number 4, plot the graph. And then you have to submit.
Doctor, which graph? Which one?
Yes.
Which graph?
See here. Here you will plot the graph. For all the
for-
three
for
tables, you will
what
have 3 graphs. Okay?
Miss,
Doctor, do we need to submit this?
Yes, you will submit this report by after 3 days.
Doctor,
So
After what?
simulate with all the 3 resistor values and then draw the graph for all the three tables and then submit your work.
Doctor, you're sitting with the one in the lab. We're not hearing anything, and yani, we're doing nothing. Literally
No, but
nothing.
I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now what to do. Start this experiment, right? Like this. Okay? And then change
Okay,
this.
I will change. Yes, I understand the tables, but the figure, I don't know what to do.
I answered.
I
Okay,
just
yes.
wanted to know when
Yes.
we're supposed to submit it.
Yes, after 3 days, and then all the 3 tables, all the 3 simulations, put the screenshots of the screenshot of all the readings, and then put 3 graphs for all the 3 tables. Make 3 graphs and put and then submit. Write your name and.
Okay, do the graph with us.
power.
I did it in the previous class.
You did, yes, one.
Okay, I can do the graph now.
Doctor, the last table is 5 kilo ohm or 5.6 kilo ohm?
5.6. So if you come here in the Excel, okay, just copy your work from here. So yes. What is this?
You want us to do a graph for the 3 tables?
Yes.
Miss, I'm finished. Can you see?
Did you finish the graph?
Yes.
Okay. So copy here. What is this? So this is 0. Right? So can you see my screen, all of you? You just have to select this, go to insert, and then do this graph. This graph I want from all the 3 circuits. Okay? So now you get the idea. Zoom students?
Miss,
Yeah.
so do the graph for the R equals 1, then R equals 2, then R equals 5?
Yes. So for the ohm class, this is linear graph, right? So I want this for 1 kilo ohm, 5.6 kilo ohm, and then 2 kilo ohm. Okay?
But doctor, question 4, it's only needed for table number 3.
No, I want for all.
Okay.
For all, okay, for all 3 graphs. I want 3 graphs from you. And then
Okay.
all the Zoom students, please stay here because I will take attendance at the end. Okay?
Doctor, I have a question.
Yes. Any question? One. Can you see you can go with them? Yes. So come here.
Okay.
Mine doesn't make 5.9 volts. This is 6 volts you are giving. So mine doesn't make. You just have to change the polarity. Just change the polarity. Connect this. Yes. Yes.
Miss,
اول شيء تسويه تشيل السماعه عشان الاكس بالمالتي ميتر هذا الكلام
Dr. Madia, Miss Madia, I can't paste two photos in the same word. كانت موجودة بالنقطة نشيلها وصلت بينهم
Take this 2 kilos. Both simulation and then yes. Because you know that power is Why this happened? Because power is consumed by the resistance. So this power dissipation, this becomes power. Zoom students, yes? You had any questions?
Doctor, can you please see the direct message?
Sorry?
No. Can you please see the direct message?
What? The graph? The graph? What you want, Noora? What you want the repeat?
Let's check the chat, please.
Okay. Yes, there is only that I have a question. Yes, this recording will be available on the Moodle.
Miss, I have reading, but in micro ohm. How I could change this?
In micro, okay, show me. Show me.
Share my screen?
Yes. Farah, you have some question?
Yes, after she finish, I will ask you, doctor.
Okay.
When the resistor is 5 kilo ohm, I have the current and micro.
So did you check this? Let me check your. So if I cannot take.
No.
Okay, now here change the reference to ref 1. So this is 5 kilo ohm, right? 2 volt. It's fine, you can shift the decimal, no problem. So this is microampere, right? If you shift this will be 400 microampere. Okay, then you multiply it with 100. 1 minute. This is almost 4 milliampere. 0.4 milliampere. If you shift the okay.
Okay, 2 shifted to the left.
Yes, shift towards the left. Shift towards the left, and then -3 will be cancelled from micro. You will be left with milliampere. 0.4.
4 milliampere. Right?
0.4 milliampere.
0.4. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doctor, can now I open my camera? Dr. Madia?
Yes, yes. I can listen to you.
فالكود كل واحد هذا نوت هذا نوت مختلف. النوت الواحد كل 5 بالعرض كل 5 بالعرض نوت واحد.
Miss Madia? I have finished. Can you check the tables and the figure? Wait.
Show me. Show me. Quickly, okay. Actually, I can't see your. Okay, yes. Wait. Yes, okay. No. This one, okay, yes. This is for which one? Yes, that's correct. Yes. Please put the titles also.
Miss, I send you a text.
Yes, 1 minute. So I want to take your attendance now.
Miss Madia, I forgot to open the mic. Is it okay? خلاص, I remove the camera.
Okay, I'll take with you. This is okay.
Okay.
And put all these readings in the graph, in the report, and then submit.
Doctor, the three graphs, I put them down question 4.
Yes, yes.
Okay. First graph 1 kilo ohm, second 2 kilo ohm, third 5.6 kilo ohm.
Yes, 5.6 kilo ohm.
I got 5 kilo ohm. Do I need to do 5.6?
So I want to take. So Abdul Aziz is present. Abdul Aziz. Yes. Okay. Aisha. Aisha Mubarak.
Yes, Miss.
Aisha. No, this is
Yes.
Aisha Amir. I want Aisha Mubarak.
Me, Aisha Mbar.
You are Aisha Amir. Okay. Yes, you are present. Okay. Janan. Janan. Okay. Anwar. Anwar. Are you
Anwar
present
what?
online?
Mahsin?
Amna. Anwar. Okay, you are present. So Amna. Amna. Yes. You are. What's your full name? Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Mali. Mali Musa. Okay. Dana Thamir. Al Hassan. Al Hassan Ahmed. Are you present online? Al Hassan Ahmed. Mubarak Muhammad. Okay. Ala Ali. Isra. Isra. Ahmad Yusuf.
Yes,
Ahmad
Miss.
Yusuf. Rawan. Rawan S. Okay. Abdur Rahman. Abdur Rahman Hadi. Absent. Uthman. Dari. Dari Hani. Dari Hani. Farhad. Farhad Al-Azimi.
There's
Absent?
Farh Ismail.
No,
Farh
you are
Ismail.
Farah.
Yeah.
Farhad is absent, okay? Taba. Okay. Thamir Al-Utabi. Okay. Turki. Yes. Abdullah KH. Okay. And then Aziz M. Hyson. Okay. Dalal Ubaid. Shahad Abdullah. Nawaf. Are you present online, Nawaf?
Yes, here.
Okay.
Yes.
Khalid Al-Mutairi. Khalid.
Yes.
Khalid.
Yes.
Okay. Mansoor Al
Yes.
Harbi. Noura. Abdul Aziz.
Yes, Noura.
Yeah, Abdul Aziz Al Mirshad. You are? Sarah
Yes, doctor.
20. Okay. Naif.
Me, Sarah. Sarah شنو, Miss?
Sarah, no, not yours, the other Sarah.
Okay.
So Naif 201146.
Yes, doctor.
Naif, okay. Fahad Abdullah.
Yes, Doctor Moon.
Okay. Muhammad Jasim. All the online, can you open your video also? Thamir Manif. Okay. Al Batul. Are you present online, Al Batul? Salim Jabbar.
Yes.
Salim Jabbar, okay. Dari Adal.
Yes.
Absent?
Yes.
Shahad Raykan. Sudari, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Shahad. Absent? Roshdi. Hussam.
Yes, I am here.
Roshdi, okay. Altaf Khalid. Okay. Lulwa KH.
Yes.
Lulwa.
Yes, yes.
Talak.
Yes.
Talak.
Yes.
Saud. 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 Saud absent. Farah Ismail.
I'm
Farah
here,
Ismail.
doctor.
Mariam Asaf. Mariam.
Yes, doctor.
Nashmia.
Yes, yes, Miss Nishmiya.
Okay. Aisha Musayyad. Aisha
Yes,
Musayyad.
Aisha Saad.
Yeah, okay. Then Shahad Al Hajri. Sarah Al.
Yes, miss.
Okay, yes, you. Fatma Faisal. Where? I want to check your work. So Fatma Faisal. Fatma Al Musawi.
Yes, yes.
Ghala. Noor Deya. Noor Ibrahim absent. Malak Al Haddad absent. Anfal Al Ubaidi absent. Abdullah Musayyid. Abdullah Al Ali.
Yes, I'm here.
Rahaf Jabir. Rahaf Al Rashidi absent. Ali Yusuf.
Doctor, you don't
Yes.
say my name.
What's your name?
Fahad Al-Awzmi.
Fahad. Tell me your student ID. Ali Yusuf. What's your name, Fahad?
Fahad Al-Awzmi.
Tell me your student ID.
201041.
1041.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Miss,
Thank
you
you,
didn't say
doctor.
my name.
What's your name?
Noor Al-Shamiri.
Tell me your ID.
201133.
Yes, you are present.
Okay, Miss, can I show you my graph?
Yeah, please. Let me save your absence.
Doctor, there is no submission link in the Moodle.
Yeah, I will put it now.
Okay.
Doctor, you said Sarah, right?
These two is fine, but the third one is not okay.
What's wrong with it? Yeah, I also thought because it's.
No, your values are not correct.
These ones?
These values are not correct.
Okay, I'll fix it right now. Thank you.
Yeah, please fix them. The third graph is not correct. So quickly, I want to give you an update. So does anyone have problems if you fill all the separate of the Yes, after 3 days, I will put the link. For the first experiment, so yeah, there was this, but solve the free lab on this report, the results here, and all complete all the report, and then submit. So I will open a submission link. If you Otherwise, email is fine to I told you how to put the number. Go to the Excel, you see here. Go to Excel, paste the values of voltage here, current here, and then go here, insert, and then from here put the graph. And label it also. Label voltage across x-axis, current across y-axis, and
Miss,
yes.
you said something about report. What report?
Okay, so for all of you, I want a report. So I want to
hear you.
Okay, yes. Please pay attention here. Please see here, because if the report is missing something, then I will deduct your marks. Okay, so see this experiment. Please, all of you, pay attention to here. So you see, this is your pre-lab, right? This is your pre-lab here. Fill all the values, put the graph, and then also one screenshot of the circuit. Okay, for the pre-lab, then go down here, put the values for the simulation, for voltage and current, and then those who are here, put the values for the measured, and then draw, and also for the simulated, put the circuit screenshot and do the graph. Okay, then change the value of resistor, put the simulation, put the measured. Okay, you did for the measured also for 2. Okay, and then for the online, you can leave this column empty. Okay, because you didn't do the measured. And then change the resistor value 5.6, then do the simulation, and then here put the graph. Okay, and then for those who did here, I want 2 graphs from you on the same line for the measured values and for the simulated values. Okay,
What about power?
what about
power? The last
what about you? Yeah,
power. Yeah.
Here you will put the graph for 1 kilo ohm.
No, the power value of the power.
Power, yes. Also, please see that there is a column of power simulation also. So you know that what is power? Power is equals to voltage into current. So please see, because this is important. This power simulation, you have to do voltage multiplied by current. Okay?
Also, Zoom have to do it.
Zoom also, because you have the values of voltage, you have the values of current. So power will be P is equals to voltage multiplied by current.
Multiply them.
Current.
Doctor, we can't hear you because you have some noise. No, the students.
Power is equals to VI. Power is equals to VI. Okay. Then put the value of power here. Okay. And then fill all the tables and give me the graph. Okay. Yes. So okay, from Zoom, if everything is clear, then I will stop the meeting.
Doctor, power, we can't hear what we do in power column.
حط في اي ضرب
اضرب الفي ضرب الاي بس.
ايه
طب ليه ما عم ترد يا الله؟
For this one,
Yes, sir.
where
Go here.
Doctor,
Okay. Yes.
the circuits, where's the put circuits?
Yes. For example, here press enter, and then here you will put the circuit for question number 3. Then you will go here. You will press here enter, and then here you will put the circuit. Okay. Like this. Okay.
How many?
3 graphs. 2 graphs for simulated and measured. So you will have 2 lines on the same graph. Okay?
This graph and this.
Yeah, this graph, 2 lines on the same graph for the simulated and measured. 2 lines on the same graph. You understand?
How many graph we put in this question? How
This
many?
question, 1 graph, but lines will be 2.
Okay.
Measured and
Yeah.
simulated 2. You got
Miss, I'm question 3. I have 5 only. No have 5.6.
Right.
لا 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 باخذ الاثنين تحت
Yes, yes, me too.
sorry.
Only
ما
5.
تدري ليش غيروها 5.6.
No, simulation.
Simulation. Yeah, and Chloe and it's
Go to
one
the
table.
results and,
Yeah.
No graph.
and then on the same graph, plot
But I don't have a measure.
how you do? You 5. You don't need for 5.6, but you want for 1 kilo and 2 kilo. You have.
For previous question, we have measured and simulation. Simulation, right? Okay. When we do a graph, there's one line. I put it here.
Yes.
For the
No, for here for the simulated, you will have 2 lines. How? You will put voltage. For example, you got some value,
okay.
same value for current, put it here. Okay, escape. For example, this is 3, this is 4, this is, for example, this is 8.9, like this. Then all 2 lines. See?
Yeah.
2 lines on the same.
Right.
I want this.
Okay, I know.
So for the online, okay, they don't have to. For all of you here, this kind of stuff.
Okay. For the other, for this one, is measured or simulation?
This one, both.
Both.
This is measured, this is simulation. Make this voltage only 1, but 2 values for current, because current varies.
Okay, for this one, I put any number?
Not any, the measured one. You have that.
النمبر اللي حطيناهم
You have 2 tables of measured values.
تنسخهم وتحطهم جدول. This question, right? Table 4. Or table 4, right?
This table 4.
Yes.
And then table 3. 2 lines. For these 2, I need 2 lines. Like this.
Okay, for the measured,
Yeah, but for table next 5.6, only.
I know. Only simulation, but with the graph or without?
This graph. Yes.
With the graph.
This graph. Only simulation.
Oh, okay.
But for the others, this kind of graph. 2 lines. 2
Okay.
lines. Okay. So done.
Yes.
Hello. Yes. Good. In C001, I'm coming in 5 minutes. Okay. Hello.
هذا الكورة
Hello.
ليس جديد.
Yes, I'm coming in. Yeah, I'm C001.
هاي
I'm coming in 5 minutes. Okay.
يقول طيب لما تبيك سوى جديد على رقم جديد عرفت شلون؟ مو باللعبة الثانية.
Yes. So I have to. Thank you so much. You made it a lot because it was very difficult. Thank you so much. So okay, done.
No.
Miss,
Yes, yes, yes.
question 3. The resistor 5.6 or 5?
Which one?
Resistor 5 or 4 by 4.6. I
This is
have 5.
5.6.
No, I have 5.
Miss, me
No, you
too.
have 5,
We
but
have
make
5.
it 5.6.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Doctor, but we do the table and do the figure in 5 only. And
It's
we
okay,
don't
no problem. No problem. Put it 5.6. Thank you. Bye bye. 5.6. Okay.
Miss, we did 5, and I think it's the same. We didn't change it with you.
Can you change it, please? It's only
But we
2 minutes.
will.
Doctor, we should change all the tables again.
No, only one
and-
table. Only one. Only here, and only here. Only 3. 3 columns.
Okay.
Right?
Eric, can you do it again? Can you repeat?
So in this one, simulation 1, here this, then simulation current, simulation
And the figure will also
figure
change.
also, yes. 5.6.
What time last submits?
I will put the submission link today, and then you can do it in 3 days.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye
Miss,
bye.
do you want the picture of the circuits just in the pre-lab, right? Because it's the same circuit.
Yes, yes, it's the same circuit, but I want the pre-lab also.
Yeah, but okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. So clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Okay. So bye bye. Bye.